Most seniors stop these simple leg moves right when they start working, but those who stay just 5 more minutes feel stronger every single day. Welcome to Senior Over 60 Fitness. Today is day 30 of our 100-day Senior Leg Strength series. Grab your chair, sit comfortably, and let me know in the comments which country you're watching from. Let's keep your legs strong, steady, and young, one day at a time. Exercise. 1. Chair, sit to stand, 25 repetitions. For this exercise, place a strong chair against a wall so that it does not move. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and keep your chest lifted. Lower yourself gently onto the chair and rise back up with steady control. Follow the repetitions with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where progress happens. 5, 6, 7. Skipping, this is why strength fades. 8, 9, 10. Keep your breathing soft and steady as you continue. 11, 12, 13. Feel your leg muscles waking up gently. 14, 15, 16. Most people stop here, but staying gives your body the strength it deserves. 17, 18, 19. Keep moving slowly and safely. 20, 21, 22. This is where the real benefits begin to build. 23, 24, 25. Wonderful work. Each repetition increases the strength of your thighs, improves your balance, and helps make daily movements easier. Keep your core engaged and your back straight to avoid placing extra pressure on your knees. This simple movement is powerful for maintaining independence, especially for seniors. Exercise 2. Seated knee extensions, 25 repetitions. Sit tall on a stable chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands gently on the sides of the chair for support. Keep your core engaged as you prepare to extend one leg at a time. Begin by lifting your right leg slowly until it becomes almost straight. Lower it with control and switch sides. Follow the repetitions with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your breathing soft and natural. 5, 6, 7. Allow your knees to warm gradually. 8, 9, 10. Maintain a smooth rhythm and avoid locking the joints. 11, 12, 13, 13. Most people stop here, but staying gives your knees the power they need. 14. 15. 16. Feel the front of your thighs activating. 17. 18. 19. Keep each lift gentle and steady. 20. 21. 22. Allow curiosity to guide your attention. 23. 24. 25. Exercise 3. Standing march. Holding chair. 25 repetitions. Stand behind a firm chair and rest both hands lightly on its backrest. Keep your chest lifted, your shoulders relaxed, and your feet placed hip-width apart. Engage your core gently so your body feels steady as you prepare to march. Lift one knee slowly, lower it with control, and then alternate sides while keeping your breathing soft and even. Follow the repetitions with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maintain a calm and steady rhythm. 5, 6, 7. Allow your balance to settle gently. 8, 9, 10. Keep your posture upright and your gaze forward. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Notice how your legs support you with each movement. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Let your feet land softly. 23, 24, 25. Exercise 4. Heel raises, 25 repetitions. Stand tall behind a sturdy chair and place both hands gently on the backrest for steady support. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your shoulders relaxed. Engage your core softly as you prepare to lift your heels. Raise both heels slowly until you feel your calves activate, then lower them with control. This movement should feel smooth and balanced. Follow the repetitions with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Allow your body to rise gently. 5, 6, 7. Keep your breathing calm and steady. 8, 9, 10. Maintain softness through your knees. 11, 12, 13. Skipping these is why many seniors lose ankle strength. Staying keeps you steady. 14, 15, 16. Let your heels float upward with ease. 17, 18, 19. Keep your grip light on the chair. 20, 21, 22. Move slowly to improve balance. 23, 24, 25. Excellent work. Heel raises strengthen your calves, ankles, and lower legs, all of which support safer walking and improve stability. Continue lifting with intention and avoid rushing through the motion. Notice the gentle warmth building along the back of your legs. This simple movement plays a powerful role in maintaining confidence during daily activities. Exercise 5, seated leg press, 25 repetitions. Sit comfortably on a sturdy chair with your back straight and both feet planted firmly on the floor. Place your hands gently on the sides of the chair to keep your posture steady. Bring one knee toward your chest slightly, then push your foot forward as if pressing against gentle resistance. Keep the movement smooth and controlled and avoid locking the knee as you extend. When you bring your foot back, do so slowly to maintain muscle engagement. Follow the repetitions with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Allow your breath to stay soft and steady. 5, 6, 7. Feel your thighs working with each controlled press. 8, 9, 10. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core gently engaged. 11, 12, 13. Let each press feel purposeful and calm. 14, 15, 16. Imagine pushing away stiffness with every extension. 17, 18, 19. Slow and steady movement builds lasting strength. 20, 21, 22. Stay mindful of your form. 23, 24, 25. Wonderful effort. This exercise strengthens the front of your thighs, supports knee stability, and improves ease during walking and rising from a seated position. Beautiful work today. If you completed all 5 exercises, comment Day 30 done. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can stay strong with you. I'll see you tomorrow for Day 31. Same moves, stronger legs.